DAKOYU Utility Blade, DAKOYU Scissors. A couple months ago, I purchased some DAKOYU multi-tools. Now, they make some pretty nice multi-tools that are very well comparative to some of the multi-tools made by Leatherman. Obviously, very much if you look at some of the things made by Nextool or Roxxon, they're competitive in that particular space. The thing about DAKOYU is that you have to order from them directly, so you don't get them from generally Amazon. And I'll put some links in the description about these two things. With those items, they sent to me as freebies, thank yous for ordering, is this DAKOYU utility knife and DAKOYU scissors. I basically have utility knives and scissors, so I just put these away in a little box. Not really thinking about them much. Then I thought about, someone asked me if I had a utility blade. I said, oh, I can, and I opened this one up and got it out. And then I was really impressed when I actually looked at it. It's a utility blade with thumb studs, and these studs are on both sides, so left or right-handed people can use them. And if you don't want to use the thumb studs, it does have a little bit of a thing that you can flick it open. Those two things I really liked. The G10 is fine. I like that. It's okay. But the other thing that I really like utility blades where you get the full length of the blade. I know a lot of people will use ones that you get about 60% or 40% or whatever, and then you can flip them over. I don't need to do that. I don't want to do that. I want to be able to use the full blade. And that allows you to do that. Now, this is the G10 in green, but it comes in a whole lot of different colors, pretty much any color that you would want to have. It also has a pocket clip for deep carry, which is something that a lot of people want to do, or put it on a pouch bag. You can carry it there. Because of its length, you get a good full grip. You're able to get a full grip, and then you're able to use it without any issue with the full grip. I really like that. You can cut things, you can open things, you can, however you want to do it. You can be deep cuts, you can cut rope with it. I've just been cutting a whole bunch of stuff with it that just makes me feel like, oh, a great box cutter. It's not a problem with this. The one thing that you want to consider that with this is that while it does punch off a lot of the boxes, to get the blade out, you have to unscrew this thing fully. And that is the only really way to get the blade out. So you unscrew it fully, it comes off, and then the blade is easy to take off to replace, and then you put it back on fully. That may be something that some people may not like, but it's not a big deal for me, and I'll tell you why. Is because while the DAKOYU reminds me of a larger version of the Olight O-Tackle. Oops, let me see here. This is a little stiff. I got to loosen that up a little bit. And this also has one that you need to, you don't have to take the whole thing off, but you have to loosen it up to exchange the blade. It also has a thumb stud on here, and it's got an opening. The difference is this is around $11. This is around 30 some odd dollars. So you're spending about 3 times the amount of money for the Olight O-Tackle versus the DAKOYU if you're looking for a long blade. This also gives you your deep carries a little bit better in the hand for this one here. What it kind of reminds me of the Milwaukee utility blade, not the fastback, which this is, but just the basic utility blade, where you can flick it open and then you can get your blades out. This one's going to be heavier duty, this Milwaukee one, than than the DAKOYU, but most people don't need anything much more heavier duty than this. As I stated, it comes in multiple colors. You have the full piece of the blade out, and that just makes it a lot easier to use. I really underestimated this, and I think if you're looking for a utility blade and you have a chance to get this from DAKOYU, look at it. The next thing is the scissors. Now these scissors are scissors that are typical for a lot of companies that you will see. The blade length is, I think, about 2 inches there, or 550 centimeters. It also comes in multiple colors, and it comes with a metric measuring piece there. It comes with a little bit of a clip. It's a very stiff clip, so just be aware of that. But these scissors, they're okay. I'll do a little gauntlet test. This is your little cardboard, and it will cut through cardboard. The one thing that I think about, if cardboard is over like that, then can it cut through that? And yes, it does. That sort of double thickness of cardboard. And it's not too big of an issue. There you go with that right there. This is your paracord, and this is the kind of paracord, if you look closely, it's got your little wire in it. Let's see how it does with that. And what I'm finding out, it doesn't cut that as well. I'm going to try it the other direction, because sometimes it is the direction that you have it in. So this is not well as I would have hoped it would be. This is a strip of leather, and it will cut through the leather. It's just not as clean as I would like it to be. This is a little small strip, and let's see how it fits at the tip of this string. This is a little bit more of a disappointment, these scissors. I was going to try it on some other things, but I just know that, I'll just do it anyway. This is a plastic hose. Let's see how it does with that. Yep, it doesn't do that either. I am not big on cutting things, well, before I do this plastic here, let's see if it cuts. Once again, not successful. So even if it did cut a tie, I would say these scissors are not going to be ones that most people are going to want to use. They just don't work very well. I'm not sure why. Could be the geometry, but I do think this is very much worth the 10 to 12 bucks that it sells for. If you were to get this for free, you probably can cut paper with it and other things, but don't use it where you're going to depend on it. That's my take on the DAKOYU utility knife and the DAKOYU scissors. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Are these things that interest you, or are you going to pass them by? Once again, this is DAKOYU EDC. I'll see you in the future.